A lot of motherfuckers be out there talking shit, running their motherfucking mouth. They don't even know what the fuck it's about. It's the beginning of the end, motherfuckers. Lost wages. Show them how the fuck it's done, homie.
Now let me start it off with a little bit of gangsta shit. A lot of haters run their mouth cause they ain't on that gangsta tip. So let me put you up on it for a minute. Motherfuckers, when I get it started, I'ma finish. Now let me take you down to the hood, dropping Ellis, where all the homies be kicking it like the good fellas, and slinging dope out the motherfucking liquor store. I buy a 4-0 and kick it with a couple hoes down the block, where last week my little homies got shot. So now it's time to make the guns pop. Fuck that, this ain't no motherfucking bus pass. You don't get a free ride on that, yeah. At least our soldiers are breathing to get a little bit of payback. We on a mission trying to find where these motherfuckers stay at. So let's roll and go put a couple holes in these motherfuckers' skulls. It's the beginning of the end. 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 It's the beginning of the end, homie. I swear last night I heard the fucking devil told me that there's gonna be a war on the east side, and that he's gonna be taking a lot of motherfuckers' life. Alright then, I told him do what you gotta do, man. But if you're gonna do it, then I'ma be your right hand. So let's roll and go handle this biz. Or what's this? I'm getting a call from the homies in the mix. They're telling me to watch my back, cause there's a grip of motherfuckers on the attack. But I ain't tripping, cause you know we never slipping. Always caught up in this bullshit, but my Nina's always ripping. Ain't no telling what the fuck is gonna happen next. It's like a hex, catching a bullet to the chest. Unreversible and making your heart beat slow. It's the beginning of the end, these fools don't even know. It's the beginning of the end. 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 It's the beginning of the end.
Un mercenario, domino este abecedario. Soy un arcángel con R15 desesperado, listo pa' batalla 365-724. Busca en el barrio diario, me encuentras con una mano muy cercana al cinturón, cuidándome de los carros, piedras en el pantalón. No vengas a pedirme paros, vengo de nada pero tengo todo por perder. Y estos putos raperos no me van a hacer retroceder. Busco dinero, mujeres, pero encontré el poder. Tony Montana, el mundo es mío para hacer con él lo que me dé la gana. Destruyo con mi pluma y papel, indispensable como drogas al pinche cartel. Rimas internas los queman por dentro como él. Tequila puro en la cantina en el amanecer. Se encambronan, su vieja les quiere ser infiel, pero no abran la boca que los hago desaparecer.
It's the beginning of the end. 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 It's the beginning of the end.